Welcome back to our channel. I'm just loading a little bit, so you might just see this a bit up here a lot.
I could have got one more, but today we are opening.
Monkey boxes, another opening of monkey boxes.
Yes, this is the last week, and the next week we are gonna stack up for later.
Yes, so let's do it here.
And next week, just to let you guys know, we have a problem, and we might not be.
No, I opened mine too fast. Oh
we
no.
might not be able to post
Sorry.
any videos.
I got common, so I didn't get anything.
Okay, let me open mine. Hey, open.
Just stand beside me.
Yes. See what
Stand
I
beside me.
get. Wait, let me see what I get. Oh, it's glitching. Oh, I got a symbol ingredient.
Ooh, you have one more?
Yeah, I have two.
Ooh, we can make maybe a toy monkey.
Another toy monkey, guys. We actually traded the toy monkey
For a golden ride rat.
And of course, I got a uni.
Which is our favorite pet. I think you should stand beside me.
Yes.
I'm gonna unequip this
Show
monkey.
you cotton candy. Take a little.
No, I accidentally opened it. Why do you take so much time?
Sorry, I was just showing the cotton.
I got so many cotton candies. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna buy some more.
We have a lot of cotton candies. Okay, I have my one right in my hand.
What the what? It's so glitchy, guys. Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
we are good.
Okay, wait. I'm just going to
Oh, you're running in one spot. Imagine you wasted our money on this and then it's not opening because of the glitch.
yeah, do yours. Okay, anyways.
3.
Wait. Okay.
You have it?
I'm going to do in toys to this.
3.
Wait, I didn't load in that. The monkey box didn't load. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I said 1.
Yes, me too.
Oh my god, it's not even opening. I said 1. Open up.
Come on. Cotton candy, have some cotton candy. Hey, cotton candy. I said
Okay, open up. Oh my god, why does it keep canceling?
Me too.
Oh, I got a symbol ingredient.
I can't even open mine.
Give me that too, like the last time you kept the toy monkey. Give it to me this time. I'm gonna keep the toy monkey.
I can't even see it.
Okay.
Yeah, glitching kinda a lot.
Give me another symbol ingredient.
Trade me.
But just give item.
I can't. I'm glitching.
Okay, fine. Trade. Here. Here,
You
it's
might
in
call me. You might call me for being silly, but I don't see it. But I don't get it.
Here, trade. Here, trade. I sent you a trade request.
I'm opening my box. I am so glitching. There's my box, guys. It's struggling to open itself. It's literally. I wish I could give you a little glimpse of how I'm glitching.
Oh my gosh, I can't even get my last symbol. Wait, do you have 2 symbols?
Yes, I have to.
Give me one symbol.
Just count.
Why can't you just tap on me?
Oh wait, except.
Okay.
Did I get anything? What did I get? Oh, I didn't get it.
Okay, just give it to me.
I got a pogo stick and more cotton candy.
Oh my gosh, my inventory is gonna be filled with cotton
Full
candy.
of cotton candy. And one day I was like, I want cotton
Here.
candy.
Oh yeah, we are gonna get another toy monkey.
Let's make it. Maybe we'll get another golden rat out of it this time.
I am a toy monkey, master of fun.
Yep.
Give me 3 symbols and I will teach your monkey how to spread joy like me.
Yay!
Woohoo, you got enough for me to work my magic. Aha, toy monkey. Here's my one of the toy monkey.
It looks so cute.
Aha.
Maybe we should save this one.
Yeah.
Do you have your other monkey box?
Wait, I'm gonna buy one more.
Okay, you should buy all of them at once.
Yeah, I should.
I have mine. I push it. Oh, I don't know.
I wonder how many toy monkeys we can get. I don't know. I
Will
got
you
none
open
from-
yours?
This is my last. Please get a simple ingredient.
I got more cotton candy. This is
A simple
not.
ingredient. No. Okay, try your one. Maybe you have better luck than me.
I got another clown unicycle and more is it like monkeys that in every box you get one cotton candy?
I think it's guaranteed or something. I don't know.
I don't know.
Like it is common. Like
I wish. What? Clown car.
we don't want the clown car. We want a simple ingredient.
This is my last one, guys. And
Please, a simple ingredient. Fingers crossed. Come on.
any ingredient. I got a briefcase ingredient.
Oh, but I also have a briefcase
We
ingredient.
have two briefcase ingredients. No,
And
I
two
have one
symbols.
as well. Oh, yes. We have two. You have one, right?
Yes, I do have
We
one.
just need one more. I think if I save up, I have 507. Maybe I can get one more box. And if we are lucky, we can make our first business monkey. And then we'll have one of all the monkeys. Although we traded in the ninja monkey.
So guys, if you like this video, make sure to smash the like and subscribe.
Or do you want me to earn for this? Maybe we'll be back once I have my last monkey box. Okay, guys, we'll be back.
So guys, this is the last monkey box. Please, a briefcase some ingredient or a ninja scroll. I don't
Just
want that.
one ingredient.
A briefcase ingredient or a simple
Any
ingredient.
Please, 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 please.
I don't think we'll get a fingers crossed.
Yes.
Please. Come on, no.
Oh, I got a cotton candy. A cotton. Guys, let me show you how many cotton candy. Oh, we're also gonna open some big gifts.
Yeah, I also got some big gifts.
3, 2, 1. You already opened cutie.
Oops, sorry. Boomerang, throw toy, and
Now,
comment.
please. It doesn't even work. I can't even see the mouse, please.
Are you sure it doesn't work?
Oh, wait, let me put it on. Yes, now it's working. But I don't want to put my little one.
Oh, it actually does. It's pretty cute. It's pretty cool.
Yes, it
You
does.
can just walk this around. It's pretty cool.
But guys, if we get another briefcase ingredient, we'll be able
Look
to
at
make-
my gigantic inventory full of cotton candies. So many cotton candies. Oh my gosh, the most thing I get in this is not a cotton candy. Is the monkeys.
Oh,
How many
yes.
monkeys do I have?
Oh, I have monkeys. I have 6.
I think we can make a mega neon monkey.
We can. We already have enough of it. It's
I have
That's
13
it.
monkeys.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I myself can make a mega neon monkey.
I need 2 more, I think.
Oh, I have 2 more.
Oh, we can make 2 mega neon monkeys.
What if we put it in trade and see what people actually
So
think?
guys, if you like this video, make sure to smash the like and subscribe.
And if you click the bell notifications button to be the first one to check out our next video. And before we leave, I just wanted to let you guys know that we might not be able to post a video next week because we are a little very busy. But
Yes.
Thank you for cooperating. Bye.
So we'll see you in our next video. Bye!